In the following demonstration, Fitter will provide an insight into best practice installation techniques taught on training courses using a wide range of products kindly supplied by our sponsors.
This demonstration we're going to show seaming. We're going to cut the join, we're going to seal the join, and we're going to show you the seaming process. So we'll start first with the heat on seam. So we're about to do the seam now. We've got the iron warming up. Set the iron on 3. Tape says 2.5 to 3. So we've got that warming up. We've just got to seal the edges. So we use this Roberts seam sealer here, 8015. It's got a special applicator on the end up the back. So you just a nice bead just on the backing. And then if you just rub it in, get the excess off with your fingers. Be careful not to get it on the pile. Wipe off the excess again with your fingers. So you position your tape with the middle lines in the middle of your join. Try not to trap any pile. Just have a look. See what you're about to do before you do it. So we've got some tension along the length of the joint. Everything looks good. So we're not actually seaming on the underlay here, we're actually seaming on the floor. It's best to seam on a hard surface. You get better glue penetration because you can push it into the back rather than sinking into the underlay. And it's not going to distort some of these polyurethane underlays. This item that we brought behind the iron is actually called a seam weight. It's got a nice Teflon plate here. It's a heavy weight, weighs a lot. So this goes along, follows the iron, keeps it flat. So as the join is drying, you don't get any ruckles to dry into the glue, and it gives you a better finish. It does have holes underneath as well. That lets the carpet pile breathe through, so you're not building up any condensation or distorting the pile. So the proper weight is the way to go forward. That little air gap makes all the difference.
For more information on this video or to book on a Fitter course, all the links are in the bio.